Tigini ismai yeso budong bagi wei tu kini okai ya tahu so bertiang.
Ka Kynhun juki registered pharmacist hinin kesngi hadian ke jinglap lingba ke RTI. Bahaduk mentah shimladon kanu-kanu ke jing kam lingba ki advertisement da ke sarkar na ke bentaki post pharmacist ki balai ke Directorate of Health Services. Kumta ki lalit bene kedua ke Myntri ka tanat Koit ke Khiah ban pensngo haka ye ki jing shem ke jongki bat kentu yaka ban le halor kani. Haka wei pat kaliang ka Myntri ke tanat Koit ke Khiah Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilaong bakin sa tau ya ke komiti ke ban salam khamat de Commissioner Secretary Dr. Joram Beda bat kan ni ke komiti ke sampai halor kini ki mat baro bat kan wat benya babale ke jing kam na ke bentaki te ki pos kam shim tre kam kumpa kade.
Very critical issues which need the attention of the government. So I have therefore decided that we will have a consultation with all of these unemployed pharmacists who feel that government need to listen to some of the valuable suggestions that they're giving us. So I will form some sort of a committee which will be headed by Commissioner Secretary IAS Joram Beda, who will look at all of these concerns and find out why is it that this employment of all these qualified people is not happening as per requirement.